Yes, my wonderful people. Welcome to J Progress again. People, right now, me confusing them. Because me I say, people can really and truly look for Aunty Donna dress and say it no look good. No, man. Me don't think this real. Aunty Donna, you no look for Aunty Donna celebration the other day at Aunty Donna event. And somebody really and truly kind of them right mind and say Aunty Donna dress no look good. People, let me tell you this. Aunty Donna use a designer from out her own place, which means that Aunty Donna is also giving back to the people from our community. Aunty Donna never did go look one high class, top of the line designer if say, alright, me want uno to sort out my thing. No. Aunty Donna look somebody from in her place to do the dress. And make me tell you this. Anybody at all will do that dress there. Remember me tell you no. Hollywood need to find you no. Anybody will do Aunty Donna dress, Hollywood need to find you no right now to go make some dress for them celebrity there. Watch you now. Would you believe that anybody at all did read that dress there other than Aunty Donna? It would look good for them. Yes, man. Remember, you know, me just drop me video the other day and me tell you how much things Aunty Donna go through. So there is no surprise you still have the little hater they might find something to come with to try attack Aunty Donna again. People, listen when me tell you this, man. Aunty Donna is a very loved person, but also Aunty Donna is a very hate person. And this comes with once you have do good in a life and help people, you always have the Satan them out there to tear you right down. And that happened to Aunty Donna right now. Look, you know, if I want to know Aunty Donna, what do you know Aunty Donna do? Aunty Donna help people. Aunty Donna reach out to people. Aunty Donna build house. Aunty Donna stack out people shop and start them up with little business. Aunty Donna send back kids to school. Aunty Donna help families, single mothers who don't have nobody. I put them somewhere to live. I help out them kids them. Aunty Donna change people's life. But by her doing that, you that think say a lot of people that love her and support her. But guess what? A lot of people hate Aunty Donna for that. If you went dress up a map stick and put them in an Aunty Donna dress, it would have look good. If you go for anything, even a little cricket, a grasshopper, and put them in an Aunty Donna dress, them are going to look good. But guess what? It dress don't look good because the Aunty Donna are wearing. And just because the Aunty Donna are wearing the dress white not look good. And the dress them not like, you know, Aunty Donna them don't like. And it me try to tell you say that lady I go through so much in her life. And her own people them always a tear her down. That is why a man like me always come and reach out. Anybody else was wearing Aunty Donna dress, they would have looked magnificent. Look how elegant Aunty Donna look. Look how beautiful Aunty Donna look. Look how that dress they just sit right on Aunty Donna. That dress they just look like say Aunty Donna, you know, belong right now. You have to just stay in the palace in England, in the Queen Palace. And this you have the Aunty Donna, and only royalty alone look like you Aunty Donna. The way how me see you step out. Anybody will say Aunty Donna look good in a, Aunty Donna don't look good in a that dress. God go beat you no. God have to beat you no anyhow no say Aunty Donna don't look good in that dress. You know wicked. Satan a ride you know. You know really hate Aunty Donna. You know wish nothing but DEATH for Aunty Donna. If you no catch Aunty Donna near you know where Aunty Donna near you no poison Aunty Donna. If you know having money and God never protect Aunty Donna, that's it man for Aunty Donna, for dirt Aunty Donna already. You don't like Aunty Donna, none tall. And when I say you don't like her, I mean you have a different kind of a 9 for her. You don't hate Aunty Donna, you know 9 and 10 Aunty Donna. Look how the woman look good. Me would have really and truly like to see that smarty there. I them people that we say Aunty Donna don't look good in the dress. They say Aunty Donna dress don't look good. And Aunty Donna don't look good in the dress. What a wicked set of people doing, man. Eh? When I say Aunty Donna step out of that vehicle, people, When I see the man come out of the vehicle and open the door for Aunty Donna, and I see them two men there in a black I walk, one on each side of Aunty Donna. And the lady behind Aunty Donna roll up the dress. From the moment the car pull up, I should have seen the red carpet, and nobody can tell me that this is not one of the superstars them from Hollywood. Aunty Donna care what nobody say. Me still not see nobody we say them a dress up in a Jamaica and a put themselves together. Beat that look they all know Aunty Donna. Aunty Donna, you look like a superstar. Aunty Donna, you look like a queen. Aunty Donna, you look like a Jamaican version of Cinderella. Aunty Donna, anybody at all we say you no look good, Aunty Donna, them would have poison you right now. Them would have take out a contract on your head right now, Aunty Donna. Aunty Donna, they would know say you in your house asleep and they come light to your night. Aunty Donna, people like them there. Them past 8 your Aunty Donna. Them 9 and 10 you. Remember when me tell you that, Aunty Donna. Me people, me tell you all the while, you know. You see the person who Aunty Donna is, she will always, and I mean always get the fight where she get. Because you see in everything, you have good and you have bad. And same like how you have a heaven, and same you have a hell. And same like how you have a God, and so you have a Satan. And the whole of them have them followers. The real people them always support Aunty Donna. The pure heart people them. You know, people who believe in generosity. People who believe in giving back. People who believe in that helping somebody. Right? Even if they themselves cannot help that person, they will always support the person who is doing it. Because guess what? They are seeing somebody helping somebody who cannot help themselves. And that is how I view Aunty Donna. Like countless amount of other people. People, let me tell you this. Them are going to live to see Aunty Donna rise to her heights where it's unbelievable. Not to me and not to the people that will know how goodness prevail, but to the wicked bad mind one them. When I do nothing for themselves, but them are dedicate them time and them effort to tear down the woman. Aunty Donna, boy oh boy. Me can't begin to say how beautiful you look that night. How elegant, how sophisticated, how well put together your event was. How supportive everybody in that group of audience was. Aunty Donna, you have done it. Let nobody tell you otherwise. Aunty Donna, you look amazing. Let nobody tell you otherwise. Let me tell you this right now, Aunty Donna. You know this quite well. That no matter how far you soar and go, the haters them always a come. But guess what, Aunty Donna? You always step well left them. You always put them to shame. You always make them put them to failure, Aunty Donna. And you will continue doing so. Everybody who will support Aunty Donna will continue to support Aunty Donna. Because remember one thing. Good always prevail over evil. Remember when me tell you that. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Believe no man, you not fi ask nobody nothing. And nobody not fi tell you nothing. Believe.